July 29 extension of Western Jamaica state of public emergency, child safety, the focus of Workers' Week and Labor Day, and Prime Minister says only 2% of NID's budget used. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Anthony Morgan. The vast majority of parliamentarians have voted to extend to July 29 the states of public emergency in effect for Westmoreland, Hanover and St. James. During last Tuesday's sitting of the House, 44 members voted for, 1 voted against, and 18 House members were absent. In bringing the resolution for the extension, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the state of emergency was critical to preserving life.
What we have is a systemic problem that is beyond the capacity of regular law enforcement to deal with. The right to life is being threatened. When you are at 183 per 100,000, the right to life is definitely now being threatened. So this statistic is of 183 is more than what you would compare, for example, with countries that are at war. So we really have a problem that we have to acknowledge.
The Prime Minister also used Tuesday's sitting of the House of Representatives to answer questions about the National Identification System NIDS project. In April, the Supreme Court ruled that the NIDS Act was unconstitutional. Mr. Holness told the House that while the government was reviewing the ruling, it also intended to formulate an appropriate legislation which met the parameters set by the court. Responding to questions, the Prime Minister disclosed that the state had spent 2% of the $68 million loan on the NIDS project.
Of the 1.3 million so far expended, nothing has been spent on advisors. Nothing has been spent on permanent staff. $17,958.21 on consultants, and temporary project staff, US $496,246.52. In terms of advertising and public relations and communications, to date, US $496,689.58 have been spent so far. Purchase of equipment and technology, US $286,281.35 spent so far. On data collection, 0.
Earlier Tuesday, the Prime Minister was at Jamaica House to launch activities to observe National Workers' Week and Labor Day 2019.
This Labor Day, come out as a village and do what is necessary to ensure that our roads are safe for our children, but also to ensure that our children are able to have facilities for play and socialization within your communities. And generally, not just for children, but for everyone, come out and let's build a Jamaica that we can all be proud of.
Special attention will be placed on children in the traffic environment under the theme Child Safety. It's you, it's me, it's all away. Mr. Holness told the gathering that statistics showed that 120 children had died and scores more injured in road crashes over the past 5 years.
I want to make an appeal for sanity and good judgment to be exercised on our road. If you can't do it for yourself, do it for your children. Do it for my children. Do it for your children. Do it for our children.
The Prime Minister also called for sharper focus on protecting children from all forms of abuse.
As a nation, we must actively work with law enforcement, not to take the law into your own hands, but to work with law enforcement to ensure that those who commit such horrible acts against the most vulnerable of our citizens are brought to account under the law.
National Workers' Week will also focus on children under the theme Yes to Decent Work, No to Child Labor. Prime Minister Andrew Holness hosted dignitaries from sectors critical to Jamaica's development this past week. Energy security was the topic of Tuesday's meeting with President and CEO of Jamaica Energy Partners Limited, Wayne Mackenzie. On May 9, the Prime Minister celebrated Europe Day with a delegation from the European Union, headed by Ambassador Malgorzata Wasilewska. May 9 also saw the Prime Minister and Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark holding talks with the Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority and President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Metri Siaga. On Thursday, he was briefed on construction plans for the Kingston Police Headquarters at No Man's Land. He was joined by the island's National Security Minister, the Police Commissioner, representatives of the Urban Development Corporation, and architect Gordon Gill. And that's how we close out Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the Office of the Prime Minister.